Hello, I'm Dr. Crystal. Are you finding it challenging to focus at times? Do you feel like your life is not what it could be or you're missing out? With each passing day, there are hidden lessons that can make an impact on what we're doing right now. So you're probably asking, how do you get to those lessons? There's a simple way to do it, and it doesn't involve going back in time. Journal writing. Journal writing is a useful and flexible tool to help improve mental clarity and focus. If there's one thing journal writing is good for, it's clearing out the mental clutter. Whenever you have a problem and write about it in a journal, you transfer the problem from your head to the paper. This empties the mind, moving precious resources from problem storing to problem solving. As a result, you're better able to focus and determine what you need to accomplish, which is an essential and useful skill that we all need on a daily basis. If you're ready to give journaling a try, pre-order your copy today of one of my newly created journals. I promise you won't regret it. As always, remember, fear is contagious, but so is joy.